morning, guys. It's another raining day in Phuket. Last night I hear the raining. It's rained so heavy, guys. Woke me up last night. Wow. So today I'm gonna going to Kalim Beach. Right now it's high tide. It's gonna be good in Kalim Beach because in Kalim Beach we surf when it's high tide. So we're gonna go see the wave and surf there. And I bring my longboard today, so we'll see. I'm so excited. I'm arrived at Kalim Beach, so get ready with me. I'm gonna wear sunscreen, even if it look a little cloudy. Always look fun, guys. I'm excited. I'm gonna wear only this liquid one. Waterproof sunscreen. I think I'm gonna wear the t-shirt because it's a little bit cold. Even it's tropical Iceland like this, when it's raining, sometimes it's a bit cold for us. We always used to the heat, you know. Actually not that cold. Maybe it's like 27 or maybe, oh my god, 27 degrees or maybe 27 or 30. But yeah, I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna pack up the board and then go to the beach. So it's looking fun, guys. Get ready? Get the board now. I just finished surfing in Kalim and the wave was, it's my size, like tiny, soft, not like, don't need to use the survival mode. But this is so nice, long, right hand. I got this. You do a little trick? Ah, good. Yeah, having fun. No. I gonna go to see how the wave in Kata to meet up with my friends. So gonna have some footage of my friends surfing here. So check that out. So in Kalim Beach, we can surf like 3 spots. So when it's high tide here, people like to surf it here, over here, so like here. And then after that, we like to surf the middle of the beach here. But when it's low tide, we're gonna surf over there. So we have 3 spots in Kalim. I just arrived in Kata Beach, guys. And the wave look cute. Lucky I got my boy longboard here, so I'm gonna taste how the wave in Kata. Oh, okay, let's gotta go another session after Kalim Beach real quick. I just finished surfing in Kata, and the wave was so fun, guys. I caught like many wave, and this is my size, like small and smooth. I love this size a lot. Look at that, it's still fun. Yeah. But this is gonna be only this session. I'm gonna be done for today because I have work at 3 p.m. If you guys have any question about surfing in Phuket, let me know, comment below. So, see you next video.